Children born today are not expected to live as long as their parents. This is a statement for the United States Center for Disease Control. Now, I don't know about you, but I am not happy with this. In this video, I'll explain how to navigate around this channel so that you and your family can do what you love doing for longer. So, if this is something that you too would like, then click down below to the right on the subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. My name is Dr. Craig Hindson, and I am the Director of Loving Life Chiropractic Canada and creator of the Loving Life Pyramid. The pyramid is a three-tiered strategy which we use to turn people's health around and literally reverse health challenges that people have been living with for decades. On this channel, you'll learn chiropractic wellness tips, recipes, exercises, and much, much more. Disclaimer: doctor means to teach. That's the root meaning, and this information is for education and entertainment purposes only. It's important to contact your registered health provider before attempting any of this material. Results can vary from person to person. So, first of all, let me show you around the Loving Life Pyramid. The bottom tier of the pyramid concerns adjustments in rhythm. This is the primary action we use in our chiropractic offices to remove spine and nerve system interference and begin the healing process in the body. For a further in-depth look at chiropractic adjustments, check out the video above right. Also, you can click down in the description or check out our adjustments and rhythm playlists on the homepage, which will give you further details. So once we have the body and nervous system in a better state of balance, we can start to look at spinal hygiene exercises. These exercises are not designed to make you stronger or to expand your cardiovascular system, but they're more akin to maintenance, a little bit like brushing your teeth or oiling the car. If you want to think of chiropractic adjustments as a little bit like going to the dentist for a teeth clean, and then the spinal hygiene exercises that you do are like brushing your teeth at home. And if you do a good job of brushing your teeth, you need to go to the dentist for a teeth clean less often. So, the spinal hygiene exercises help you hold your adjustments for longer and longer. The third level of the pyramid are the 4 pillars of health, breaking bad habits. And this acknowledges that chiropractic is a team event. When a person leaves our office, there are many things that they can do to speed up or slow down the results they will get. So chiropractic care is done with you, but not for you. The 4 pillars of health are the primary ways to speed up results. Bad habits slow the results. The 4 pillars concern loving food, loving rest, loving movement, and loving thought. The 5th secret foundation of these pillars, which no one talks about, we cover extensively both on this channel and in our office. Now, to help you better explore through the pillars and the secret foundation, there's a video up top at the right. And as mentioned earlier, playlists on this channel catalog the 3 levels of the pyramid and the 4 pillars. And as mentioned earlier, there are also links down in the description. You can find out a little bit more about breaking your bad habits and using those 4 pillars in the secret foundation of health. To explore this now, click on the video, which is just coming up right at the end. Just click it now, here it is, and I will see you guys on the other side.